Guys had statistics last year and the year before, probably, right? Probably had it for a couple years. So you have what? Mean. These are also called, if you see this word, measures of central tendency. That they might use that on the SOL, and you're gonna be like, what does that mean? That just means statistics, mean, median, mode, okay, range. All right, what if who remembers what the mean means?
Oh, it's like.
Another word for mean.
Is it like two of the same? Is it two of the same or not? Or is that mode? That's mode.
Average, right?
That's mode. That's mode.
Yeah.
Wait, I thought the average was
Average, right? So the mean is the average. When we put your grades in, right, that gives you some sort of mean, right? So from all the data points divided by the number. So it's going to be 8 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in your calculator, do that, please.
Wait, I thought you had to put like those numbers in like order.
No, it doesn't matter. That's for median.
That's when
Then
you're trying
you
to
have to find the one in the
middle.
middle.
Yeah. But we're going to get to that. Save that for the next slide. All right, in your calculator, 8 plus 7 is 15, 16, 19, 20. What's 20? What's 20 divided by 6? 3.3, right? So this one would be 3.3 repeating. That would be the average. Just like when I pull up your warm-up and it gives you the mean for the whole thing and the mean for each question. All right? Boris, what's median?
I don't know the word.
Let me help you out.
The middle.
There we go.
Wait, I got it right? Oh my God.
The middle. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? Then find the what?
Middle.
Middle number. Okay? Middle number. Now, remember, this is where you might have two middle numbers. Okay? So if there are, here's the important part. If there's an odd number of data points, there will only be one middle number. So you're going to count, right? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
No, you have to put those in the order.
Ah, good. We didn't put those in order.
I'm sure.
We didn't put those in order. So we got to list them in order. Let's do it down here. What's the first one? 10.
When you're right, increase this.
Then what?
14, my bad.
14.
17.
17. 21.
23.
23.
31.
30 what?
31. 34.
Now we can do it. All right. So again, we're going to go from either side, right? Start from the smallest and the biggest. Grande pequeño, all right? Boom. Boom. This one, this one, this one, this one. Now what is it?
No, heck.
21. So the median would be 21. All right. Gabe, you get this?
Yes, sir.
Now, even number of data points.
The accent at the top of the no, the
All right. Now there are going to be two middle numbers, and what do we have to do with the two middle numbers?
Divide.
Take the mean, the average. Danielle, be quiet. We take the average of the two middle numbers. All right, so again, we got to put them in order, right? 12. Let's do this. So we got 12. What's the next one? Whoop, 10.
Is one really an odd number though?
10. 12.
What? Like, it's like one of those.
14. Okay, you write this down?
Yeah.
Put them in order. 14,
10. Wait, what's on the room?
15,
10.
18, 31. Okay? So remember now we're going to have two middle numbers because there's an even number. Right? Two middle numbers. So that one, that one, that one, that one. So those are our two middle numbers.
So you add them and then divide by 2.
We take the mean of those two, the average. So we're going to take 14
Add them together.
plus 15 divided by 2. Right?
So 29 divided by 2.
29 divided by 2, which I hope you know it's just 14.5. Right? So the mean would be 14.5.
No. Wait, what is that? 14 plus 5.
14.5.
0.5.
Alright. The mode. The mode. What does the mode mean, Micah? Mode. What does that mean?
It's the same
Ryan?
two,
I don't know
it's the same
what's
two numbers that are in one.
Most frequent.
The one that occurs most frequently. The one that occurs most frequently. Right, so 12 once. 10 once.
It's 14.
14. 14. So the mode would be 14. Okay. Range. Now the range, subtract the smallest from,
Between the biggest from this one?
So 11 minus.
subtract the smallest from the big. Okay? That's the range. It's actually the distance between
One, two, three.
So it's the distance between the smallest and largest number. All right, so we definitely have to list them. So we got 11, 12, 16, 17, 19, and 20. So we're going to take 20 minus what? 20 minus 11, so with a range would be
11. I mean,
Oh.
11. 20 minus 11 is 8. So
9.
that's our range.
I said 19.
All right.
Wait.
All right, so I want you to try to find the mean, median, and mode for each one of these in this example. All right. Mean, we got to do what? That means average. So you add all these up and divide them by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by 10. What'd you get? You got the mean.
79.3.
79.3. All right. Median. So, you know, if I were doing this, you're probably going to have to find the mean, median, and mode for a lot of these problems. I would just start out listing it in order right away. So I got 54 there, right? What's the next one? 64? Okay. 75. Then another one? What's the other? So not only do you need to do this for the median, but you also, it'll help you when you list it in order to find the most frequent one. So what comes after 75? 81,
84.
And then 87. And then I didn't like.
No, we missed 50. Oh, wait, no, I missed 50.
I just 87.
87?
Wait, you didn't cross out 84.
90.
90?
91. I got it.
Darn it, I hate when I do that.
Is there a street? That's good. Alright.
And what?
That's right.
Alright, so we gotta find the middle. Okay? Well, I can look right here and tell already we can find the mode. That's easy, right? 75. What do we get for the middle? How many numbers are there? Well, there are 10, so we're gonna have two numbers in the middle, right?
Yep.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those two are the middle. So add them together. 81 plus 84 divided by 2. What do you get?
82.
82.5. So we got 82.5 for that one. For these on the back, use the graph, what is the mean number of phone calls made? So you just have to, you guys know how to read this graph, right? Here's the total for this one. 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6, right? So what's that give you? 8, 15, 24? 24.
24 divided by
6.
Wait, you put another one of your fingers
Okay.
there?
Same thing here. You just add them up. 80, 120. Now, how about this one? Well, this one doesn't give you an exact number, so you know halfway gain between 60 and 80 is going to be what? 70. So let's call this one 75, and let's call this one 25, or 35. Add all this together, you got 200. Got it?
Dude, I would have to